Hi, I'm Caroline, a punch needle tutor and artist. Today I'm going to show you how to create different stitches with your punch needle. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Today I'm going to show you different stitches you can do with a punch needle. There are two main types of stitches, looped and flat. To create flat stitches, punch as normal, but ensure this is on the right side. You can create 4 different types of stitch by adjusting the punch needle. To create a tufted stitch, set your adjustable punch needle to its longest setting. I'm going to make a small square to demonstrate. Pull your thread through and cut. To create your tufts, you need to snip through all of your loops and then trim. For a different effect, you can thread 2 different colours of double knit yarn in your punch needle. Pull your thread through and cut. To create the fringing stitch, push the needle through as you would a normal stitch. Turn your hoop over and pull the yarn through your needle to give it more length. You can repeat this with the other stitches. You can cut the loops to create a different type of fringe. For more punch needle techniques and inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.